So after a ride in the mountain, I arrived at the temple already. So it's 20 baht to have access to this area. And look at that. Look at this view, guys. So you have the 12 Chinese sign, zodiacal sign. A little bit later we will go up there to enjoy the sunset. But right now, look at this view on Lamai. Lamai is just right here. And there, just there, you have Chaweng Beach, and we can see also Bangrak Beach. The weather is amazing tonight. It's going to be a great sunset. So here you have the snake, kind of dragon, the rabbit, the tiger, the buffalo, the rat. Over there, elephants, and over there you have the pig. Hello pig, the dog, the chicken, the monkey, the goat, and the horse. Oh, I didn't speak while I was go up the stairs. But look at that, guys. And today is amazing. So here you have a pagoda. And look at this tree. 60 sea view. It's amazing. So it's a little bit too lighty, but right in front of us we can see the National Marine Park. So at the west of Koh Samui. In the south of Koh Samui, right here, you have Koh Ten Island, and over there Komatsum, and also in the back, but I think you cannot see it on the video, the mainland. Right here, it's Lamai Beach, in the east part of Koh Samui. Over there, right here, Chaweng Beach, and over there, Bangrak and Boput. We can even, I don't know if you can see it, guys, but there is, because of the sun, we can see the pagoda in Chaweng, which is making a small light. You see right here. Amazing. So this is the standing Buddha where we were a few minutes ago. And now we are going to wait for sunset, guys. Look at that. So you have a 360 degrees viewpoint and an amazing spot for sunset.